3 sides and 3 angles, and we want to solve the triangle, which means we want to solve for all missing sides and all missing angles. So in this problem, all they've provided us is we have the angle 59 degrees, that's angle B, and we have this side here, that's the hypotenuse, that would be lowercase c, and that's 84 yards. So in this, I noticed that they ask for side C, so we already know that's 84 yards. We also want to know side B, we want to know side A, and we want to know angle A. Now angle A is something we can immediately find because all angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So this angle C is a right angle, so 180 minus 90 minus the other 59 degree angle is going to give me angle A. So find your missing angle first. That's pretty simple to do. And then you can use trigonometry to find the missing side. So angle A is 31 degrees. So now let's figure out how to find side A. So just kind of do this one at a time. Come from the perspective of the angle that they've given you, the 59 degrees, and mark side A in perspective to that angle as either being opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse. Side A is adjacent to angle B because it's coming out of the angle and it's touching the angle. The other angle that the other side that I know that's marked is side C is 84 yards. Now this is the hypotenuse because it's across from the right angle. So we learn SOHCAHTOA when we set up our trig ratios, and I want to know which one to use in this figure. So I've marked adjacent hypotenuse, and that's going to be cosine. So my equation starts with cosine, and then you always put the degrees next to your trig word. So cosine of 59 equals the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So the adjacent side is A and the hypotenuse is 84. Now we want to solve this equation for the variable A. To get A alone, I need to undo division by 84. So I'm going to bring the 84 over here and you multiply in front of your trig word. So 84 times cosine of 59 equals A. And this is now where you can type this in the calculator. So 84 cosine 59 equals, and I get that it's 43.263, and it keeps going. And they say round your answers to 1 decimal place, so I'm going to round this to 43.3 yards for side A. Now we also want to find side B. Side B is over here. So I'm going to start my picture again, coming from the perspective of 59 degrees, and side B is opposite angle B. And I'm also going to still work with the 84 yards, that's still the hypotenuse. So the trig ratio that works with this opposite hypotenuse is sine. So then my setup is going to be sine of the angle, sine of 59 degrees equals the opposite over hypotenuse, or B over 84. Multiply by 84, so 84 times sine of 59 equals B. So evaluate that in your calculator. 84 sine 59 equals, and I get 72.00205. So round that to the nearest tenth and you just get 72.0 yards. So that's how you would solve a triangle, finding all of its missing sides and missing angles.